ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, let's be ready to receive, of course, the most visionary second lady in the history of Ghana's politics, the most present and most visible second lady in the history of Ghana's politics, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, let's usher in, of course, our dear second lady, of course, the most visionary second lady in the history of Ghana's politics, the most present and beautiful we can already. Ladies and gentlemen, all of your Yes. Are you ready to receive?
Yes. I do it, man.
Second lady of the Republic of Yes, they're recruiting to us if they're any better than this, ladies and gentlemen. All cameras out. All cameras out was to receive, of course, the most iconic lady in the history of Ghana's politics, the most present, the most visible, the most decorated second lady in the history of Ghana's politics. A woman who was redefined second leadership in Ghana. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to receive her. Here she comes. The most present, of course, the greatest second lady in the history of Ghana's politics. All cameras should be focused on her right now. The most historic entry. It is beautiful, and there she comes. Yes. The most decorated second lady in the history of Ghana's politics. Yes, let's make welcome her ladyship, Samira to Bawumia. Yes, it's amazing. And there she goes, engaging with the distinguished ladies and gentlemen in this very auditorium. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all scream once again. The most decorated second lady in the history of Ghana's politics. There she comes, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, yes. As she engages and meets with the distinguished ladies and gentlemen, President here. Yes. What a historic reception. That is amazing. Yeah. Efedodo. Yes. The most productive, distinguished, iconic, decorated second lady in the history of Ghana's politics, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. Excellency, Samira Bawumia, the second lady of the Republic of Ghana, and the incoming first lady, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. It is amazing, ladies and gentlemen. Let's usher in the most iconic, distinguished, decorated, present, and most visible second lady in the history of Ghana's politics. Yes, everybody right there is great of mine. Yes, Her Excellency, the second lady of the Republic of Ghana, Samira Bawumia, the ever gorgeous, the endearing, the most visible, the most present, the most productive second lady in Ghana's political history. Let's usher her in the grand style. Yes. much. Thank you very much. So this is a local balance.